Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Bee Venom Pain Relief Cream, a product that claimed to ease muscle and joint pain using natural bee venom. But it is actually work or not? Let's find out. So, what is it? Bee venom contain active ingredients like melatonin and epan, which are said to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. That's why some cream now include it as a key ingredient. But here is the catch. Most of the study are limited. There is no solid scientific proof that the bee venom cream actually work better than regular pain relief creams. Some user may feel relief, but it could also be a placebo effect, especially with no strong data to back it up. Even more importantly, if you are allergic to bees, using this cream could be dangerous. Reactions like redness, irritation, or swelling are possible. Always do a patch test before applying it widely and consult your doctor first. Here is the bottom line. Bee venom cream might help some, but the science is not strong and there are risks if you are sensitive. And consult your doctor first. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.